So I have the 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander Limited 4-cylinder turbo. I felt like the sound system was okay, but it just needed more bass. So this thing, you can't really hear it over there. So what I did is I bought new shallow mount kicker subwoofer, 600 watts peak, 300 watts RMS, and a kicker key 500 500.1. It's you got room down there under this. This is the original JBL sub they took out, and look at the magnet on that thing. They just cut the harness and just tapped right into the JBL amp that's also down there. I wish I had taken a video of the before, but I didn't really think about it until I got into this new subwoofer. I was like, wow, that's a big difference, night and day. So anyone that's thinking about it, get a shallow mount, subwoofer, 8-inch shallow mount, and a mono amplifier. I also got this bass knob, and I'll show you where that is. I'm trying to let you hear it without getting flagged for copyright. I had the installer put it down there because I wanted a clean install. I didn't want to see the wire, but you can take that apart. You can take that apart and just have the knobs. I'm thinking of putting it in this blank one if it fits, or this one, anywhere really. I mean, eventually I'll take this out and make it a flush mount.
Facing my yeah, do this, put on that, keep a shooter, killing me, no need for no groupies. In Miami, I'm studying my 2-piece.